Every man over 45 feels it eventually. Less energy, harder workouts, a shorter fuse, and no one tells you why. When I ask my patients what testosterone actually does, most think it's just about the bedroom. It's not. Today, we'll break down what testosterone really does, why it drops with age, and what your body is already showing you.
Your body is sending signals. We decode what they really mean. This is Health Decode.
In this video, we cover 4 things: what testosterone does, why it declines, the signs most men miss, and what helps restore it. Stick around until the end, because in part 3, we cover a sign most men notice but never connect to their hormones. Testosterone isn't just a sex hormone, it's the hormone behind your muscle mass, bone density, and energy levels. It also shapes your mood and even how well you sleep at night, more than most men realize. It's produced mainly in the testes, with levels regulated by a signal sent from the brain. That signal travels from the pituitary gland down to the testes and back again, keeping levels balanced. Starting around age 30, testosterone begins a slow, natural decline, roughly 1 to 2% per year. By your mid-40s, that decline becomes noticeable for many men, even if nothing else in life has changed. This isn't a disease, it's simply a normal part of aging that happens gradually to nearly every man. But for some men, it drops faster and lower than it should, a condition doctors call low testosterone. Doctors also call this condition hypogonadism, and it's more common than most men realize after 45. Here's what's actually worth watching. No panic, but no brushing it off either. First, persistent fatigue that doesn't improve with sleep, no matter how many hours you get each night. This is one of the earliest and most overlooked signs, often mistaken for simply being busy or stressed. Second, a noticeable drop in muscle strength, even without changes to your workout routine or effort level. Or an increase in body fat, especially around the midsection, even without changes to diet or exercise. Third, changes in mood, motivation, or mental focus, things that are easy to blame on work or stress. Low testosterone is closely linked to irritability, low drive, and what many men describe as just feeling flat. If you're noticing 2 or more of these together, that pattern matters more than any single symptom alone. There's no magic pill, but there is real evidence behind certain habits that actually help. Strength training, especially resistance exercise, is one of the most effective natural ways to support healthy testosterone. Quality sleep matters enormously. Most testosterone is produced during deep sleep, so poor sleep directly lowers production. Maintaining a healthy weight helps too, since excess body fat converts testosterone into estrogen inside the body. And getting enough zinc and vitamin D through diet or moderate sun exposure supports hormone production directly. Many men wonder if this means they need hormone replacement therapy, and the honest answer isn't simple. It depends entirely on your blood work, not your age, and not just how you feel day to day. A simple blood test can measure your actual testosterone level. No guessing, no assumptions, just real numbers. And that's the only way to know if what you're feeling is hormonal or something else entirely. Low testosterone isn't something to fear. It's simply something to understand and take seriously when it happens. If you're over 45 and constantly tired, unmotivated, or losing strength you used to have, take note. That's a reason to ask your doctor for a simple blood test, not a reason to just accept it as aging. If this video helped, hit like, it helps more men see this. Comment what topic you'd like next: sleep, nutrition, or something else.